Tesla Motors, an electric car manufacturing-based company located in California. Tesla is bringing the world closer to sustainable energy with electric cars and renewable energy solutions. Now we'll talk about Tesla Motors' unique marketing approach, which helps the brand stand out in the car business. We'll talk about Tesla's interesting marketing techniques and marketing mix, as well as how the company has managed to get by with a $0 marketing budget. Compared to its competitors, the company is getting a lot of attention online right now. Before we jump into Tesla's marketing plan, let's start by talking about the company to get a better idea of what it is. Tesla Incorporated is an American company based in Palo Alto, California. It makes clean, renewable energy solutions and electric cars. Its main job is to make clean, renewable energy and high-quality electric cars for people all over the world. Tesla cars are well known for how well they perform on the road. Elon Musk, a famous entrepreneur, is also the CEO of Tesla. Tesla is worldwide famous for its $0 marketing strategy. You're right. Except for its launches, Tesla doesn't spend any money on marketing. This is true, even though it sounds very strange. Tesla's business activities have given it a lot of benefits that has turned into marketing tactics. We now know a little bit about the company. Let's look at the marketing mix for it. Marketing mix of Tesla. The marketing mix consists of 4 P's that helps in the growth: product, price, place, and promotion. It helps the company come up with the right business plan. Smart people are working hard behind the scenes at Tesla to keep making as much money as possible from the business. And here is Tesla's marketing mix. Product strategy of Tesla. Tesla's cars come in 3 different types. That's Model S, Model X, and Model 3. All of them have great engines that can go from 0 to 60 miles. An online group, this brand got rid of the need for a distributor. Its vehicles are non-debatable because this organization doesn't have a huge variety of items like other car organizations. Tesla makes it difficult to get its vehicles. Therefore, just a limited part of S had a retail price of $71,000. Different models also range in price from $70,000 to $152,000. But the most surprising thing is that people's interest in these cars hasn't changed at all. However, because Tesla's assembly companies don't want to meet the high demand for cars, the price of these cars has gone up a lot. This brand has combined an eco-friendly idea with better tech, which has made its pricing strategy more successful. Promotion strategy of Tesla. Surprisingly, Tesla got a lot of attention from both its business side and its informal side. Its items that got better never needed to get better again until now. In the same way, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and a business genius who came up with the idea, has been getting a lot of free publicity with his charming words and incredible data. This company always finds better ways to make the news, which is something that no other company's marketing team or CEO could do. Since we now know a little bit about the marketing mix, let's talk about market strategy, which is another important strategy. Can you answer the following question? Which is an actual model of Tesla car company? Sharing strategy of Tesla is very interesting as its marketing budget is $0. So here are some strategies used by Tesla for marketing its product. Status-driven product. Tesla's business, which is making electric cars, is based on the idea of status-driven business, which gives it an edge in the market. Customers are interested in these goods. Tesla gave its customers the best service it could for the money, which made them happy and excited about its products. They make good cars that look good and use a lot of technology. As we all know, marketing strategy and social media marketing go hand in hand. Let's take a look at how social media marketing works in this business. Social media marketing of Tesla. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has given the company a big boost in the market. He is very social on social media and is always getting into little arguments. His idealistic personality gets him a lot of fans, and his social platform is used to market Tesla. Every time Elon Musk tweets, the stock market goes up or down. In the end, this kind of social presence helps Tesla get its name out there. Elon Musk has always liked getting a lot of attention on the internet. His latest big deal was when he tested the window glass on the newly released Cybertruck. The glass wasn't supposed to break, but it did, which made a big deal for Tesla and turned out to be an ad for the Cybertruck. Sales centers. Tesla doesn't work like most car companies. It does not have any franchises to offer to investors. They have made sales centers that help with both sales and customer service. Sometimes these franchise owners work more for the incentives rather than for the brand. Since Tesla runs its centers itself, no franchise owner can be a part of the business. After sales service, Tesla gives its users world-class service and resources that make owning a humor. This links the brand to the public, and its CEO, Elon Musk, is in charge of this process. His funny and interesting tweets get people talking about the company, about what it wants to do, and honest with its customers. The brand is involved in the market because this brings us to the end of Tesla's marketing strategy. Let's sum up everything we've learned in this video. Conclusion: Tesla is one of the best car good products than to spend millions on advertising and marketing. Tesla's marketing to do it without any big problems. If you made it to the end, that means you are one of Tesla's fans.